Struggling to find where to add a signature in Zoho Mail? Learn the exact clicks to get it done in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the 6 simple steps to add your signature. Let's start by accessing your apps. First, click on the Access Your Apps button to get started. Then, scroll down and click on Sign to open the signing options. Now click on Sign Yourself to begin creating your own signature. Once that's done, click on Add Document to upload the file you want to sign. Next, click on Desktop and choose your photo from your computer. Finally, click on Continue to proceed with the signature process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.